Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to listen music together on Spotify. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Spotify Jam is a collaborative listening experience that lets you up to 32 people listen the same music simultaneously. So to listen to music together on Spotify, you can use this feature. So for this, all you gotta do is simply open your Spotify, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now all you gotta do is simply play a song. So once you play a song, you can get a speaker like icon right on the left hand side of the corner. Simply tap on that particular icon, and once you do this, all the nearby devices will be right over here. So you can simply tap on that particular device, and being a host, you can let them listen to the same song you're playing as well. Or you can also simply tap on the three dots and tap on share and share this music. Like, you can invite them via any messaging apps, or you can also let them scan a QR code to listen your music together. So by this way, you can simply start a jam or listen music together on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.